Nearby is the 99th gate, which will affect everyone. The September trip that will change your life requires preparation. The spiritual force at this time could lead to big changes, so this is no ordinary date. This is a crucial time for personal growth and change. The 99th gate. If you're open and willing, you can use its power to make big changes in your life. A lot of people don't realize how important this portal is, but it does provide a rare chance for spiritual advancement. Not only must you think positively or wish for change, but you must actively connect with the massive energy coming in. You might gain a greater spiritual understanding if you figure out how to open the 99th portal's magic. Its energy may help you change parts of your life you couldn't before. The 99th gate is a very important spiritual event because it has a lot of spiritual meaning. From a numerological point of view, the power of the number 9 is crucial here. 9 is a number that represents completion, change, and the opportunity to start over. Now is the time to let go of things that don't help you and welcome a better version of yourself. This portal is more than just a date, it's a cosmic entrance to more advanced states of mind and self-awareness. It only opens once a year, giving you a unique chance to connect with strong forces that can help you grow and understand yourself. The 99th portal creates the necessary energy space for these transformations, whether you seek clarity, healing, or a deeper understanding of your spiritual journey. Anyone who wants to raise awareness can use this time, not just those who are deeply involved in spiritual practices. The energies of this portal can be like a reset button for your soul. It's a chance to get rid of old habits, set new goals, and start over with a stronger sense of purpose. This portal has a huge opportunity to grow, and it won't last for a short time. The 99th portal's powerful energies can help you let go of ideas that hold you back and reach your full potential. We recommend that you embrace change, relinquish things that don't align with your soul's mission, and create space for fresh opportunities and personal development. This year's 99th portal is even more powerful due to the significant cosmic changes that occurred in 2024. These lines have made an energy field that is stronger than we've seen in a while, which makes this year's portal especially special. This portal is invigorating and a crucial moment for individuals prepared to undergo profound spiritual development. It's not just about spiritual harmony. The forces of 2024 are giving you a big push to become your best self, which opens up new ways to change that weren't possible before. This isn't just any spiritual event, it's the most important energy portal in years. It's possible that the boosted energy running through it will greatly change your awareness and spiritual journey in ways that may surprise you. A lot of people already feel like something big is coming, and the 99th link is at the center of that feeling. It is the year's event for people who want to change deeply. This year's link is unique because it can help you connect with your higher self more deeply. You might notice that the energy is different. It feels more alive and full of life. This cosmic boost may be easier and clearer to continue your spiritual journey. Even if you're not fully aware, the energy is working behind the scenes to help you understand things better, become more determined, and discover new levels of insight, even if you're not fully aware of it. The forces around the 99th portal have come together in 2024 to make a one-of-a-kind moment in time. You could evolve quickly in this high-level spiritual setting, pushing you toward your fullest potential. The change is real, and we can see it everywhere. Soon, you will be able to personally feel the big changes that are coming. The 99th portal has a huge amount of secret power. The important question is, are you ready to use it? Now is not the time to relax and wait for things to happen. The world is giving you a wonderful gift, but you have to be ready to accept it. Go through the 99th door to feel a change in energy and wake up sleeping parts of yourself. A lot of people use this portal to let go of old habits or bring about new desires, but it can do something even more powerful. It can bring out your hidden spiritual skills. This portal's energy rush may have been holding back these gifts for years. Whether you have stronger insight, clairvoyance, or healing skills, this is the perfect time for them to show themselves. Knowing that these skills have been inside you all along is important. They just need the right energy to manifest. The 99th door facilitates this setting allowing these gifts to emerge. As the portal's energy moves, you may begin to notice small or large changes in how you see things, how you feel about certain things, or how you sense energies around you. You could have stronger instincts, or you could start getting ideas that seem to come from nowhere. To use this hidden ability, you need to be open and aware. You can use these dormant skills if you are willing to accept the portal's energy, which works like a key. For those who pay attention, the changes can be life-changing. You may notice that your intuition gets stronger, your link to spiritual energy gets stronger, or you start to use new skills you didn't know you had. When these gifts fully awaken, you have a unique opportunity to explore the deeper parts of your inner self and discover your true potential. This link is so strong because of how deeply it can change things. Many don't reach their full potential because they're unaware of energy changes. Taking time to connect with the opening's energy may lead to new spiritual gifts that can improve your life. These aren't just surface changes. These skills can help you get through life with more clarity, confidence, and spiritual harmony. The portal's strong vibrations will change your life, even if you're not spiritual. For some, this could show up as feelings they didn't expect, confusion, or sudden changes in their life. People may have to deal with problems they thought were solved years ago when old habits or patterns come back. For people who are more in tune with spiritual forces, this time of increased energy may bring more clarity, fresh ideas, or even physical sensations like warmth, tingling, or energy bursts. People who are sensitive to these changes in energy may also have intense dreams, deep insights, or sudden realizations. Now is the time for hidden facts to come to the surface, which can lead to spiritual and personal growth. This force will push you toward change, whether you are trying to grow spiritually or not. This force may push you beyond your comfort zone, causing unease or restlessness, as it urges you to confront what no longer serves your greater good. This will feel like a strong push toward your real path for those who are ready. For some people who aren't ready, the situation could be scary. But it's an important part of the growth process. The energy of the portal will make you aware of things in your life that need your attention, like your job, your relationships, or your mental health. It doesn't matter who it affects, everyone will feel it in some way. People who are already open to spiritual growth can use this energy to move forward, but others may have a harder time as they are pulled into an emotional shift without fully understanding why. Even if someone isn't aware of the portal's change, it still presents a chance for change if they are ready to think about it and make changes. Get ready to maximize this link's powerful energy. You have to work at it. You can't just sit back and wait for things to happen. You can use the energy if you're ready to accept it. You will feel a lot better about this spiritual event if you take the time to get ready. It's not enough to just show up. You need to align yourself with this move for the change to be most effective. Getting clear on your goals is one of the first things you can do. Think about what you want to let go of. What do you want to come into being? Clear, focused goals will help you use the portal's energy to change things in a way that lasts. What do you want to come into being? Clear goals can guide the powerful energy of the 99th portal in the right direction. Take some time to really think about what you want to change in your life and what you want to get rid of. The results will be stronger if your goals are clear. Wanting things without being specific won't have the same effect as setting clear goals. Right now is the time to act if you want real change. Cleansing your energy, both physically and mentally, is another important thing you need to do to get ready for this event. Spending time in nature, meditating, or writing in a book can help clear your mind and emotions. This will make room for the energy of change to flow easily, which will help you go into this time with an open heart and mind. Rituals that clear energy, like burning sage, using healing crystals, or taking salt baths, can help get rid of any bad energies that might be blocking the good flow through the portal. One of the best ways to connect with the portal's spirit is to meditate. It doesn't matter if you're a seasoned practitioner or just starting out. Sitting still can help you tune into the minor energetic vibrations that will grow stronger as the portal gets closer. Pay attention to your breath, picture the energy coming in, and make room for understanding to come through. You'll be able to handle the shift better this way. Keeping your feet on the ground is also crucial right now. Being in touch with the earth helps you stay calm, and the portal lets you access high-frequency energy. You can become more stable by doing simple grounding exercises, going barefoot on the grass, using grounding stones like hematite or black tourmaline, or taking slow, deep breaths. It will be easier to handle the higher energy without feeling too much if you are more connected to Earth. To connect with the portal's energy when it comes, make sure you have time and room set aside. You could do this through a ceremony, a focused meditation, or just some quiet thought. The energy of the 99th portal is strong, and you might miss out on the opportunity to fully benefit from it if you don't work with it. You can have a very different experience of this spiritual event if you connect with the energy for even just a few minutes. You probably already know that this portal is one of the most powerful times for manifestation. Its energy gives you a unique chance to make your deepest wishes come true. However, it's important to do this with purpose and work. During this portal, manifestation doesn't just happen. You have to move this energy toward your goals. First, being clear is important. Spend some time making a clear list of what you want to bring into your life. Being clear about what you want gives the portal's energy something to work with, whether it's healing, personal growth, or job success. Clear, focused goals are stronger than vague wants. As soon as you know what you want, start sending that energy out into the world. Close your eyes and picture yourself living the life you want. Don't just think about what will happen, really feel it. Emotions are a big part of manifesting. When you connect emotionally with your idea, the energy you send out is stronger. Affirmations are a very important part of this method. Speaking good, present tense things about your manifestations helps you connect with the energy of the life you want. Saying, "I am at peace," instead of, "I will find peace," is one example. When you pretend that what you want is already true, you align yourself with the frequency of that outcome. Saying these affirmations every day, especially when the portal's energy is high, helps you stay focused and strong in your goals. It's also important to let go of control and accept the process. It's important to set goals and visualize, but letting go is also an important part of manifesting. Have faith that your planned goals will materialize at the appropriate moment. Having a tight grip on your wants can make them harder to get. When you trust the process and let things happen on their own, the spirit of manifestation works best. You mess with the energy if you constantly worry or question that your wishes will come true. Trust that the time is right, and don't try to push things to happen. If you are a Virgo, pay extra attention, because this is your month. This year's star alignment intensifies the portal's energy, particularly for Virgos. The portal itself gives chances for spiritual growth and manifestation, but the astrological events happening at the same time will make the moment even more powerful. You can better connect with the powers at play if you know how these cosmic forces affect you. As Virgo rules stability, order, and clarity, the changes in the cosmos at this time will make it easy for people born under this sign to grow spiritually in a deep way. When you combine the power of the portal with the influence of Virgo, you have a rare and powerful time to bring about organized, grounded change. Astrological forces have a big impact on the 99th portal, which is a major energy gateway. As Virgo takes the lead, this portal's energy focuses on being clear, being useful, and communicating clearly. Being very careful, Virgos approach their goals in a more planned and detailed manner. Now is a great time to be clear about what we want and make well-thought-out decisions about the future. Since Mercury rules Virgo at the moment, our words and intentions are stronger than usual, so it's important to talk and act with purpose. Virgo, the sign ruling this portal, also greatly influences Pisces and Sagittarius. Pisces, who are known for having strong spiritual and emotional traits, will have better intuition and a stronger link to the spiritual worlds. Pisces should focus on their spiritual routines and grow them right now because the energy is very good for doing so. Sagittarius, on the other hand, will feel a rush of adventurous energy that will push them to learn more about themselves, grow, and try new things. When the practical energy of Virgo lines up with the faith of Pisces and the drive to expand of Sagittarius, It makes for a unique astrological mix. In many areas of our lives, this time pushes us toward growth, insight, and connection. It's not just about growth in yourself, it's also about how the universe actively helps and amplifies that growth. Each sign feels the portal's energy differently, but it pushes everyone to reach their fullest potential in their own unique way. No matter what sign you are, the stars align to make it easy for everyone to set intentions, discuss goals, and step into their own power. This portal allows for big changes in both the personal and spiritual life, whether they happen through mental clarity, spiritual awakening, or setting new goals. You can work with the flow of energy instead of against it if you know how these astrological factors affect you. When you approach the 99th door, be open and focused to get the most out of its energy. You have a great chance to grow and change, but you have to work hard and pay attention. To get ready, align your goals, ground your energy, and use manifestation techniques to get the most out of the energy of the portal. The changes this portal brings about can set the tone for the next part of your life, but you have to work with the energy and consciously move forward in your spiritual and personal growth. Thanks for being a part of this journey. If this resonated with you, consider subscribing to receive regular updates of more valuable content. Please share your ideas and experiences in the sections below. We really value your participation. Take care, be aware, and be thoughtful until next time.